So tonight it's fast food. Got home at, I guess it was 5 o'clock, and now it's 6. Oh, I'm so glad my son drove because I am so tired. That drive is always a tiring one. I remember when I used to drive it. I'm glad I did not do it today. Plus, it always gives the two people in the car a chance to talk. You know, I really like that. Nothing going on there. What's going on outside? Nothing. Yeah, so this is my French Canadian pea soup. Usually I put in a lot more. I just don't have a lot in the fridge. But I put in an onion. Put in an onion and some spices. No bread, no nothing. I'm out of my naan. And I didn't feel like having any pumpernickel because I'm having popcorn. So having just peas is not a complete protein. I hope you're aware of that. Eating just peas is not enough in terms of your protein intake. You have to eat peas or beans or any legume has to be eaten with a starch to make a complete protein. Now my son has never been there, and I told him exactly where it was and how to get there, and he punched in the wrong building into his GPS. Took us the wrong way and nearly got us there late. I had like 5 minutes to spare. Yeah, I said, not the Children's Hospital, Health Sciences Center, University Health Sciences Center. His GPS was jumping to conclusions. And then we went his way home that he wanted to go because he didn't want to take the 401, which was a nice back roads way. Kind of roads my husband would take. So that was nice. So even though it was a tiring day, I enjoyed it. So I'm going to get the drug for 1 month, and when it comes to that, they'll see if it works. If it has any effect, then we'll be able to go with it. I've agreed to go for it. But if it has no effect, then there's no point. So this drug only has an effect in a certain percentage of people. We will see if I'm one of those.